So this video is not for rebuilding the entire pump. I think there's enough videos out there, and most people can figure out remove gaskets and diaphragms and replace that. This video is for installing these check valves and check valve keepers that are a real pain in the butt. So the first thing I like to do is take the check valve, set it over the pump body hole so it holds that check valve nice and flat so it don't kink it. Take the rubber check valve keeper and pop it through the check valve. That way it doesn't, it's on a nice flat surface, doesn't kink it, keeps it from damaging the check valve itself. So the next process is to install the check valve keeper back through the pump body. Some people try to claim that you can push this through with your finger and pick at it and get it to come through. I've been not successful with that technique. So I thought, well, there's a nice little hole in the end. I'd try a screw backside of a drill bit that fit in there nicely to try to push it through. That ended up just poking a hole through the end of the check valve keeper, resulting in damaging it. No good. People have tried Allen wrenches and so on and so forth. So then I got creative and said, nah, took a screwdriver, cut it off, turned it in a lathe, tried to make this little tool here that would just slip in, push through the hole and the back side of it, and that failed as well. So had to sit and think about it a little bit, and I come up with a technique that seemed to work pretty good. And what I did was first put a little petroleum jelly on the end of it, and I'm going to go over to the vise here and finish the remaining portion of the technique. Okay, so now we're over at the vise. I got myself nice soft jaw pads clamped in the vise. Got the throttle or the pump body mounted in there nice and tight, secure. Won't damage the pump body that way. So I got myself some fish line, 20-pound test, 18 gauge. Seemed to work pretty nice. Just slip that, make a little loop, slip that around that check valve like that. Slide the tails of the fish line through the pump body, and then proceed to feed the check valve keeper into the body. Push on with your finger on the back side or your thumb, and then pull on the fish line, and it pops right in. Works perfect. Found the easiest way to install them. Hope you enjoyed the video. Have a good day.